Hey everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. Woo! My name's Keenan, otherwise known as Rydylan Reworks on TikTok or Instagram. I make custom one-of-a-kind clothing out of sustainable materials, like blankets and sleeping bags, towels, and all sorts of stuff. So I just want to talk a little bit about what this channel is going to look like. Of course, I want to do reworking and sewing. I want to do a bunch of tutorials and teach you guys how to sew. I think I'll probably do some thrift videos as well. That's probably be something that would be pretty fun. Maybe do some challenges. A lot of you guys are probably here to see me make some puffer jackets, so I'll definitely be doing that. Yeah, if you guys have any ideas of stuff that you guys would like to see me do, definitely drop them down in the comments below and I'll be sure to get to them. But I also want this channel to be a little more personal, and so you guys can get to know me a bit better since I'm not able to share a lot on Instagram or TikTok. Yeah, I think this will be a really fun journey, and I'm really excited to start YouTube and show you guys a bit more of my business. So I'm just gonna give you guys a quick tour of my setup, my sewing machines, my blankets and stuff that I have. In the future, we'll definitely do a more in-depth video about my sewing machines and how to run them and stuff like that. So this is my sewing machine and serger, lava lamp that my girlfriend got me, notepad to keep track of everything, got my Digimon collection. This is my cat Artemis, he loves to help, my assistant number one, a TV VHS player so I can watch some movies while I work, and my assistant number two, Miss Luna. So these are all my finished products that I have that are for sale and available on the website. This is also where I record my music, and yeah. Lots of work to do. I just want to show you guys my blanket collection. In here we have, one sec. And here is all of my sleeping bags and sweaters and everything like that I have ready to be cut up and sewn back together. So that's it for this week's video. Comment below and let me know what you think. Drop a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next week.